Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's dive in. Question: which of the following best describes the primary function of IP address management tools like SolarWinds IPM? Answer B. Allocating and tracking IP addresses. Question: PHP-IPAM is an open-source IP address management tool mainly used for. Answer B. IP address allocation. Question: in network management, what is a key advantage of using IPM tools? Answer A. Simplifies IP address tracking. Question: which feature is commonly found in SolarWinds IPM? Answer B. Real-time IP address tracking. Question: when choosing an IPM tool, which factor is most critical? Answer C. Compatibility with existing infrastructure. Question: how do IP address management tools enhance network security? Answer B. by providing visibility and control over IP allocations. Question: which of the following is a scenario where IPM tools are essential? Answer B. Allocating IP addresses in a large enterprise. Question: what distinguishes PHP-IPAM from other IPM tools? Answer B. it is open source and customizable. Question: which protocol is primarily associated with IP address management? Answer B. DHCP. Question: in network planning, why is IPM considered vital? Answer B. it helps in efficient IP space utilization. Question: which of the following is a common challenge addressed by IPM tools? Answer A. IP address conflicts. Question: what is a typical feature of SolarWinds IPM? Answer B. IP address scanning. Question: how does IPM facilitate disaster recovery in network management? Answer B. by maintaining detailed IP address records. Question: which is a benefit of integrating IPM with DHCP and DNS? Answer A. it simplifies IP address assignment. Question: in the context of IPM tools, what does IP address tracking help prevent? Answer B. IP conflicts. Question: which aspect is crucial when deploying IPM tools in a large network? Answer A. scalability. Question: what is a limitation of manual IP address management that IPM tools overcome? Answer B. higher risk of human error. Question: which network component benefits directly from IPM tools? Answer C. IP address pools. Question: why is real-time visibility important in IP address management? Answer B. To prevent IP conflicts immediately. Question. How does IPM support compliance with network policies? Answer B. By providing audit trails for IP allocations. Question. Which key feature allows IPM tools to prevent IP address exhaustion? Answer A. Dynamic address allocation. Question. Which of the following best describes the role of SolarWinds IPM in enterprise networks? Answer C. Centralized IP address and DNS management. Question. Which scenario demonstrates the need for IPM in cloud environments? Answer A. Managing virtual IP addresses. Question. What is an essential consideration when migrating to an IPM system? Answer A. Data migration strategy. Question. How do IPM tools improve network troubleshooting? Answer B. By providing detailed IP address records. Question. Which is a key difference between SolarWinds IPM and PHP IPAM? Answer B. SolarWinds offers enterprise-level features. PHP IPAM is more customizable. Question. What role does an IPM tool play in network scalability? Answer B. Facilitates efficient IP allocation as network grows. Question. Which of the following is a best practice when using IPM tools? Answer A. Regularly audit IP address allocations. Question. How does IPM assist in compliance with data privacy regulations? Answer B. By maintaining detailed logs of IP allocations and changes. Question. What is the future trend in IP address management tools? Answer A. Increased automation and integration with AI. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.